Seun Okowo was brought to this facility in 2020. He was just about 4 years old then. And then by the time the father brought him, by asking questions, the father said, since the mother discovered that the boy is lame, the mother abandoned him and absconded. So the responsibility was now laid upon the father. And the father, being a bricklayer, anytime he's going to work, he will carry the boy, put him on the ground, give him biscuits, and you know why he's busy working inside. So somebody now saw him and said, why is this child like this? The man now told the story. So eventually, he was advised to bring that child to To Omo. That To Omo would take care of the child for him. So this man brought the child, now told him, well, accommodation is free, but you have to take care of the feeding. You have to be giving us something to feed the child. We will take care, we will do the caregiving, but it will cost you his feeding, because if the boy is at home, we will be feeding him. And the man agreed. He even told us he'll be giving us 12,000 every month. But after giving us the first 12,000, the man, till date, decided to abscond. We'll call him on phone. Even if I call him on phone now, he will pick it. But he will never service. He has not seen this boy for the past 2 years or so. So God is helping us. And when this boy was brought, he was walking on his buttock. He will pull his leg first and move forward. His leg first and move forward. So I didn't like it. I have to make this wheel, this four wheel plate for them, because it's not the only one that having that problem. So eventually he couldn't use that because it was too heavy for him. Now we decided to get him a walker, this 3-wheel walker. And then when we gave him this 3-wheel walker, he saw somebody using it. Then he also decided, he picked interest. When that person is not using it, you will see him climbing it. So I decided to go and make his own for him. It took him almost 6 months before he could climb that walker. But thank God, we are lucky, or how do I put it? The Lord brought a church into the school. Redeemed Church is being brought to the school. And they have their normal service in the school. And during their services, they make these children to ask God what they want God to do for them. And Seun will continue to say, Father, I want to work. Father, I want to work. Before long, Seun started using his walker. He was using his walker. And after some time, the Lord heard his prayer. And Seun would leave his walker and started practicing walking on his own. With the glory of God. On March 27, he sent for me that he should go and call Baba To Omo. On getting there, I said, Baba To Omo, look at me. That was how the Lord performed the miracle. Seun is now walking on his own. And we are trusting God that the Lord will perfect everything concerning his work. Because we are told that he requires some surgical corrections for him to be able to walk normally. But we know God that has done it thus far, we perfect everything to his own glory.